Sa basto, wet or dry? Dry. Dry na.
Dry na tubig.
Dry na tubig!
Yeah, yeah! Hey!
May paano na lang.
Happy ba kayo?
Feel ko nga kahapi, no? Pupunta na ng Precious International School of Davao. Hashtag Homecoming!
Yeah, they say the way I act is immature. Well, don't be.
So ano na mga best?
Hindi nag-work?
Tama to.
Akin to ah!
Kuya, akin yan ah!
Anong problema mo?
Riot? Riot? Teka, ano ba ginawang suotin natin?
PE!
PE form? T-shirt?
Upo nga muna tayo.
Oo! Damn! Happy ba kayo? Feel po ano? Dito kami sa Precious
International
School of Davao.
Nandito pa kami para mag-interview ng mga estudyante tungkol sa
HSG, first day of school.
at meron pa kami special segment na
Fast Talk!
So are you ready? It's time for the HHG!
When I was 6 years old, I broke my leg. And I was running from my brother and his friends, and tasted the sweet perfume of the mountain grass I rolled down. I was younger then. Take me back to when I found my heart, broke it here, made friends and lost them through the years. And I've not seen the boring fields in so long. I know I've grown, but I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel. And it's real, we watch the sunset over the castle on the hill.
Pwede naman homecoming! So ito naman, may nakita kami isang kapwa vlogger mga kaibigan, no? Ano pa mo? JB. Ano pa ng YouTube channel mo?
Happy Hour Gang.
JB Munoz Vlog. Follow, view, and subscribe. Okay, thank you. At may question tayo para sa kanya. Una, nanonood ka ba ng HHG Vlogs? Okay. Since day one. Oh my God! Oh my God! Narinig niyo, okay. Pangalawa, kumusta ang unang week ng pasukan?
Nakakapagod na. First week pa lang. More tiring weeks to come.
Oh, tama.
Tama. Yeah, let's be mature, Char lang.
Teka lang, walang paano, vlogger ka rin eh. Vlogger ka rin eh.
Ito, tanong. Follow and subscribe.
Teka lang! Teka lang! Invading the...
Follow sa Twitter at follow ba? Pang-apat na tanong. Inspired ka ba?
Oo. Super.
Bakit?
Kasi nandito kayo.
Kuya, ito may special segment kami ngayon. Fast Talk. Wet or dry? Na banyo, syempre.
Dry.
Maliit o malaki?
Maliit.
Na grado? Maliit na grado?
Ang height.
Ang height, sige, ang height. Pero grado? Mataas, malaki. Masikip o maluwang?
Maluwang.
Maluwang.
Oh.
Na classroom?
Oo.
Tama! Pang last na question sa Fast Talk, chocolates or HHG?
HHG with Mic test. Okay, we have Keith here and I'm gonna ask him questions. Naalala mo ba ang social experiment?
Go! Oo!
Okay.
Gago!
Inspired ka ba ngayon?
Here!
Sino naman?
Naka-point pa eh.
Kaya ka ba sa banning of Honey Rice? No. Bakit?
Patabain niyo muna ako.
Okay, fast talk tayo ngayon. Last na to.
Last na.
Last na talaga to. Wet or dry?
Dry.
Bakit? Bakit?
Sabi mo fast talk, so dry lang eh.
Maliit or malaki? Masikip or maluwang? Chocolates or HHG?
Chocolate.
Wet or
Thank you for your time.
Hello, we're back again and we're interviewing someone.
The one and only Renzel Valero.
Son, naalala mo po ba ako?
Oh, come on, answer the question, come on.
Everything comes back to you.
Happy ka ba?
Contented.
Contented. Nanonood ka ba ng HHG? Eto, sana.
Not open.
Not open, okay. Kumusta ang first week na pasukan?
Awa, dira. Awa.
Tumahimik ka.
Bawal
Teka lang. This,
Hindi, ayaw pati ka na, igat na.
Gago! Awa, dira. Dahutan ka.
classmate mo ba si Crush?
Nandito na siya. Nandito siya mismo. Okay.
Inspired ka ba? Bakit?
Wala, di ko lang feel.
At kung saan ka pa naghahanap, nandito lang naman ako.
Sad. Sad.
Okay, fast talk na.
Fast talk. Ito, intense ito.
Let's talk. Wet or dry? Wet or dry? Na CR? Wet or dry na CR?
Wet or dry?
Right?
Okay, dry.
Dry.
Maliit or malaki? Nagrado. Malaking
Grado.
grado.
Yes.
Ayaw mga manyak.
Dirty minded. Bawal
Masikip
yan.
or maluwang?
Luwak.
Maluwang na P-uniform. Okay, final na.
Final question.
Chocolates or... Iyan na, joke. Chocolates or HHG?
War.
I don't know if that's sweet or not.
Contented siya eh.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh my God,
okay,
sorry.
thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my God, sorry. Oh my God. Wait, ayoko.
Fuck HHG Vlogs! But subscribe to
Happy Hour Gang.
one of the member of HHG Vlogs. But this one, ano ba? Wala! Hello, I have a big
This is a mess.
Sige, glihok dira.
Nahiya siya.
Fish, ito, Fish, pwede ka ba namin mag-vlog ka ba dahil ngayon?
Oh, nag-interview na.
Welcome back, guys. Micah here. Got to interview Hurley from grade 9. The basic question. We watch HHG vlogs. Sad. Oh. How's the first week of school? Pasto. Okay. Wet or dry? Go, come on. Wet or dry?
Dry.
Maliit or laki? Oh. Basik. Sikip or maluwang? Chocolates or HHG?
Yeah, boy!
Okay, welcome back guys, and we have Chili Chua here. Happy ka ba ngayon? Happy ka ba?
Aww.
Wala pa?
Hoy!
Bossy Crush.
Aww.
Okay, next, fast talks tayo. Wet or dry?
Dry.
Na CR. Maliit or malaki? Okay. Masikip or maluwang? Na classroom? Okay. Chocolates or HHG?
HH.
Nanonood ka ba ng HHG vlog? Sometimes, how many, ano yung sometimes yan? Nakita yung name? Parang vitamin. Classmate mo pa si Crush.
Oh.
Inspired ka ba? Bakit? Tama kasi kasi si Crush.
Wow.
Okay.
Madali,
Last question.
kapag ba?
Sang-ayon ka ba sa banning of Annie Rice? Bakit?
Follow up Hulaban season
Kasi gutom, kasi gutom. Ay, ito may...
I will start my own. I will start my own.
May... Anong question sa pasto? Wet or dry? Dry. Dry na.
Dry na tubig.
Dry na tubig! Maliit o malaki? Malaki, malaking pagkain.
Oh,
Ano
understand.
kasi pagkain? Sabi. Malaking hotdog, okay. Last question para sa pasto. Chocolates or HHG? So ito mo, no? May nadampot tayo galing sa gym, pawis sa pawis po, nagba-volleyball. Harvey Presley nga pala, galing sa volleyball team ng Precious, isang spiker, libero at blocker. Wow, ang galing talaga.
Varsity
Idol
ba?
ko siya. Nanonood ka ba ng HHG vlogs? Oo, pero dinidislike ko. Kamusta ang unang week ng pasukan? Boring. Bakit boring? Boring pero masaya. Ay, bawi, Precious. Okay. Ito, third question. Classmate mo ba si Crush? Wala akong crush. Inspired ka ba? Wala nga akong crush. Fast talk. Kailangan mong sagutin ng mabilis kasi syempre fast talk, di ba? Wet or dry? Wet.
Na CR ha, na CR.
Wet na ano? Na pagkain. Ano? Ano kasi pagkain? Sinigang. Maliit o malaki? Maliit. Nagrado. Maliit na gado to, patay. Maliit na gado na. Masikip o maluwang? Maluwang. Maluwang na. Maluwang sa gym. Maluwang na gym. Maluwang. Chocolates or HHG? Chocolates. Cut!
First question natin, no? Happy ka ba? Happy daw siya. Happy ka ba? Happy ka ba?
Sawi. No. Happy na sawi.
Okay.
Nanonood ka ba ng HHG vlogs?
What did she say?
Nanonood ka ba ng HHG?
For you, that's what I like. That's what I like.
Nag-tweet mo si Crush?
Hindi.
Oh, sad.
Inspired ka ba? Inspired ka ba? Bakit kaya? Bakit? Pastok na tayo, pastok.
Pastok, ito intense.
Wet or dry? CR. Wet or dry?
Slippery, excuse me, please me.
Wet na CR para slide. Maliit o malaki?
For you, that's what I like. That's what.
Maliit or malaki? Malaking gado, of course. Kasi, hindi pa. Chocolate or HHD? Okay, chocolates or HHG?
Kung wala ka nang maintindihan, kung wala ka.
Pangalawa na to!
Green cup yan ng Green cup yan.
Sub and follow our accounts in social media, nasa links below. And what's your YouTube channel?
Happy Organ.
Mozzarella ba yan?
Mozzarella, yeah.
Just search Ella Praiza. Links below. Thank you.
But I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel. And it's true, we watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. Over the castle on